5 baby nail tools, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. Choose the wrong format, and every trim becomes harder than necessary. Choose electric, scissors, kit, or conventional clipping first. Number 5. Baby Electric Manicure Set. Nervous about starting with manual blades? I'd consider this for parents comparing an electric manicure format against clipping or scissors. Its real value is that different approach, which may feel more approachable for your routine. But there's a reason it starts the countdown. Power details, attachments, and maintenance requirements aren't provided, so you can't judge the ongoing friction before buying. That uncertainty also makes its durability and useful lifespan difficult to size up. Skip it if you want a standard manual tool with fewer moving parts. I'd also pass if unclear upkeep will leave it sitting unused. Number 4. YIVEKO Baby Nail Kit. If you'd rather buy a grooming kit than choose one tool, this is the shortlist's kit-focused option. I'd pick it for a parent who values having a broader nail care setup ready in one purchase. That kit format is the proof point because it offers a different buying path from a lone clipper. However, the included pieces, storage arrangement, and maintenance needs aren't detailed here. So its daily convenience and long-term value remain hard to judge. Skip it if you want the simplest purchase possible. I'd choose a single tool instead when drawer space and easy cleanup matter most. Number 3. Easy Grip Nail Scissors. This is the clear alternative for parents who naturally prefer scissors over pressing a clipper lever. I'd choose it only when that familiar cutting motion already feels comfortable in your hand. Its standout proof is straightforward: it's the dedicated scissor-style choice, not another variation on a conventional clipper. But the grip design, physical size, and care requirements aren't explained, which weakens the buying case. You can't confidently judge hand fit or maintenance from the name alone. Skip it if you prefer clippers, want several grooming pieces, or favor an electric format. I'd pass whenever scissors already make you hesitant. Number 2. The First Year's American Red Cross Deluxe Nail Clipper. Want the familiar lever and blade format without buying an entire grooming kit? I'd put this near the top for parents seeking a dedicated conventional baby nail clipper. That focused design is its strongest argument because there's no format decision left after you choose manual clipping. But blade dimensions, age guidance, and cleaning instructions aren't included, so fit and upkeep need closer attention. The missing age boundary especially limits how confidently you can judge its useful lifespan. Skip it if scissors feel more natural, or you want multiple grooming tools together. I'd also switch if electric filing better matches your routine. Number 1. Safety First Light Zoom Nail Clippers. This is where I'd start if you want one broadly positioned nail trimmer instead of committing to a specialized format. I'd pick it because it earns the overall spot while keeping the purchase centered on trimming, not a larger kit. That makes it the clearest default for a new parent who hasn't developed a strong tool preference yet. The trade-off is missing detail around age guidance, maintenance, and the model's physical fit. So you'll still need to confirm it suits your hand and routine. Skip it if you already know you want scissors, multiple grooming pieces, or electric filing. Choose electric filing if manual tools feel wrong, or the kit if you want several pieces. Pick scissors for that cutting motion. Choose the First Years for conventional clipping, while Safety First is my default overall. Before buying, check age guidance, hand fit, cleaning steps, storage needs, and included pieces. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. I'd start with the Safety First unless another format clearly matches your routine. Switch only for a strong preference towards scissors, a kit, or electric filing. Links are in the description.